Okay, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. ربي زدني علما، ربي زدني علما، ربي زدني علما. آمين يا رب العالمين. Okay, so today inshallah we will be starting with lesson number 4. Before that, if we just go back and have a quick revision of lesson number 3, we talked about numbers. Okay, so we need, yeah, what do you remember about numbers? How many types of numbers we studied?
We studied three types of numbers, three kinds of numbers: singular, dual, and plural.
Okay, what is singular?
Singular is one, just one.
Yeah, and the Arabic term for that?
Wahid.
Wahid. Okay, it's written here. Wahid. Singular. Okay. Or they have said that it is called mufrad also, but I don't agree with that. I'll tell you later that what is mufrad actually. Okay. So right now the proper word for me is wahid, singular. Okay.
Then we have dual, which is tasniya.
Tasniya. It's written like this. Okay. Tasniya. That is dual. It means yes.
Two people. Then we have plural, which is jama in Arabic, and which is 3 and plus. 3 plus. 3 and 3 plus.
3 and 3 plus. Yes. And then we studied 2 types of plural as well. Remember?
Yes.
Yeah,
we
what are
studied
those?
about sound plural, sound plural, which is which retains its original form, right?
Yeah.
Like we only have to add s or es to it.
Like in English, yes, like apples.
Like box,
English.
box.
Yeah. Okay. And what is the example in Arabic for sound plural? What is the Arabic term for sound plural?
Arabic term was
it's there on
Salim.
screen.
Salim.
Salim. Al-Jam'u Salim. Salim. Salim means sound. Okay. Like safe and sound. And example of example of Jam'u Salim in Arabic. You gave in English, right? Box, boxes, room, rooms. That is in English. What is example in Arabic? It's written here. Vinita, it's written on the screen. Just see.
Yeah. So Muslimun.
Yeah.
Becomes Muslimun. By just adding waw noon.
Waw noon. What is the rule that we add waw noon in the end to make it plural, right? Yes. Okay, fine. Yeah. And in the female case, feminine plural of this type, how do Jama Salim for the females?
We will put Hamza and Ta. Hamza Ta.
Instead of this small ta, because we studied that this ta is the symbol of monath, right? Feminine nouns. Yeah. So mostly we studied that mostly adjectives, है ना? The adjectives are having this ta, not the personal nouns. Adjectives, okay? Like sariqatun. The example here is sariqatun, the thief, female thief. Now it's an attribute. The person who steals is called sariqatun, right? It's not a personal name. Like muslimatun. Yeah? Muslimatun is again an adjective. The one who submits, who obeys. It's like but there are some other like sa'atun. Yeah, there are some other examples also. Sa'atun, watch. So all these mu'annas who have this ta in the end, how we will make it plural?
They will be converted, like this ta marbuta will be converted to hamza ta.
Like one alif. Yeah.
Alif.
Yeah. We put alif before and then this ta we will convert it to the longer one, the regular one.
The longer.
So it's like sariqatun and sariqatun, right? We prolong it also due to alif, right? Due to this alif, qaf's sound is prolonged, right? Due to this alif. If it is sariqatun, if it is qaf without alif, then the short vowel will be there. Fatha with yani, hai na? Fatha is a short vowel. Qaf has fatha,
Yeah.
then it is a short vowel. Sariqa,
Okay.
short
Okay.
vowel. But when it is followed, fatha is followed by
Alif.
alif, then it becomes
Yeah.
a
Then it becomes longer.
longer vowel, and we prolong the sound. Okay, sariqatun, qatun, like this. And it will
Okay.
now some if we are making mistake in pronunciation, some people might read this sariqatun as sariqatun. Yeah,
Yeah.
meaning will change. Instead of one, we are making it plural. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would have said some one, and we are saying it as plural. So it will make the change in the meaning, right?
Okay.
Just this pronunciation
By
change.
prolonging.
Yeah,
Yeah.
prolonging the sound will change the meaning in from one to plural, right? So we need to
Yeah.
be very careful for this. If there is no alif, we have to shorten it, the sound. Okay, Alhamdulillah. That was for Jama's practice, plural. And yeah, the other one
The other
was
one is broken. The
hmm,
broken plural, broken one, where the original form changes, like man becomes men, woman
hmm,
becomes women, like
hmm,
foot becomes feet,
hmm.
tooth, teeth, which changes its shape. Like
Yeah,
it
exactly.
doesn't retain its original shape. The Arabic name was
It's here. It's right on the screen. For example, Rasulun, right, means one messenger. And what is the plural? We can say
Rusula.
Rusulun, right?
Rusul.
Rusulun,
Yes.
yeah, Rusulun. Uh, many messengers. And Rajulun is a one man, Rajulun, one
Singular.
man. And what is the plural? Rijalun, right? So these are the examples of broken plurals. Okay, so that was for our revision, Alhamdulillah. And there are lots of example given, and I ask you to go through all. Due to
Yes.
shortage of time, inshallah, we won't be able to, but please, everyone, do go through these examples. Today's new lesson, Alhamdulillah, we're starting with lesson number 4, pronouns. Okay, as you can see, pronoun ad-damair. The Arabic term for this is ad-damair.
Admire. Okay.
Ad-damair. Pronouns. It is the dhamir. Dhamir is singular. Dhamair is plural.
Okay.
Vinita, can you tell me which kind of plural is this?
Okay. So, Zamir,
Dhamir and Dhamir. Yeah,
you are
anyone.
asking out of sound and broken one?
Yeah, mashallah, barakallahu fi. This is a broken plural, right? Dhamir is singular. Dhamir is plural. And this is broken plural. Very correct. Just now we were practicing. Okay. Because this is broken, instead of ya, alif has come. Okay, it's a very important lesson today, Alhamdulillah. And I would like that if you don't understand anything, please do come on mic. Anyone other than Vinit also, do come on mic and ask me, because I don't want anyone to let it go without understanding. It's very important lesson today. Okay, so pronouns. I hope, Khadija, if you can turn your mic on, can you tell me what are pronouns in
Yes.
English? What do you understand by pronouns?
The word used in the place of nouns are pronouns, right? Like
Yeah,
they,
mashallah.
he, yeah,
Yeah, the words which we use instead of nouns.
of nouns, yeah.
Yeah, they are called pronouns. Correct.
Yes.
And examples are they, we, you. Okay, there is background noise, Khadija. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Please.
better I just mute
Okay.
it, miss.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, like, I, we, you, they, them, their, etc. And English examples are hua, hiya, huma, like, and inshallah we are going to study them in the form of a table, right? Okay. This is table 1 for the pronouns, and it's written detached pronoun. See, you can see there, detached personal pronouns. Okay. First we'll see what are the pronouns, and then I'll tell you what detached mean, right? So first is, if I highlight here, hua. Okay. This is, and you can see the table. First, let's understand the table. This is written third person. Okay, third person, and here it says singular. Okay, and dual, for two it means, and then for plural it means for all. Okay, so now we see as in English we have different words, like if I want to say that a third person, right? So I will say he. Okay, in English also they are different. He. What does he mean? A boy, but it's not with us. So I'm saying he, third person pronoun. For singular, it's he, right? For dual, unfortunately, we don't have any in English. As we already say, the other languages, they don't, definitely they call singular and plural only. So in pronouns also, we don't have anything for talking about two boys. In English, we will simply call it they. Okay, they. And for plural also we call they, right? So there is either he and either he or they for singular and plural, or dual also. But in Arabic now we have different. If I'm talking about third person, one man, one boy, one male, I will say he, and the Arabic is huwa. Okay. If I'm talking about two, I will say huma, right? Just note it down, huma. And if I will talk about plural, I will say hum. Okay. So it means they. Huwa, huma, hum. So these you need to remember. Okay. And there is another word written, talibun. Talibun means student. Talib, it means student. Huwa talibun, he is a student. And if I want to say they are two students, they are two students. So in Arabic it will be huma, because we said that it is huma. Instead of huwa, we will say huma. It would mean two, they two. And talibani. This is a revision now. What does talibani means? If you people remember, when we were studying simply singular, dual, plural, we said that ani sound will come with dual. Talibani means two students, and huma also it means they two. So huma, talibani, they are two students. And hum, tullabun. Tullabun is the example of broken plural, isn't it? Talib is singular and tullab is plural. So now we are revising, inshallah. Whenever we'll go now next onward, we will keep revising whatever we have studied. So we had studied singular, plural about numbers, and today also we revised that. So talibun is singular and tullabun is plural, many students. And tullabun is broken plural. I hope it's clear. Aisha, Yasir, if there is no background noise, you can unmute yourself, please.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Are you understanding, Aisha, what we are discussing?
Yeah. I'm getting, miss.
Alhamdulillah. So talibun is singular and tullabun is plural. The same way,
Okay.
the pronouns which we use for them, for singular will be different, and pronoun for dual will be different, and pronoun for plural will be different.
Plural will be different. Yeah.
And for third person male will be different, and third person female, it will be different. Okay.
Okay.
So in English it is he, they both, and they all for male. Now for third person female in English, what we use? We use she.
She.
Okay. So what is the Arabic pronoun? Hiya. Okay.
Yeah.
The Arabic pronoun is hiya. And what is the feminine noun for talibun? Talibun is plural. I'm sorry. Talibun is male student. And what would be the female student? Talibatun. How did we recognize? With this ta marbuta. With this ta, because this is the symbol of mu'annath, female. So now see how many changes we are making. If we change it from masculine to feminine, that is also a change. Okay, talibun to talibatun, and then pronoun also from hiya, huwa to hiya. So hiya talibatun, what does it mean? She is a student. Okay, and if we move next, how we will make dual for talibatun? Yes, Aisha, talibatun. What will be the
Alif noon talibatani.
we will put one alif with ta
No.
and then noon. So it will become
Yeah.
talibatani, two
Two
female
students.
students. Yeah, two female students.
Yeah.
And luckily huma is same for male and for female. For both, huma
Okay.
is same. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
huma talibatani, two female students, they are two female students, and huma talibani, they are two male students.
Okay.
And hunna is the plural for female.
Female.
If we want to say they all are female students, so we will say hunna talibatun.
Okay.
Hunna talibatun. They all are female students.
Female students.
Yeah, so 6 new words we learned. No, 5. Huwa, huma, hum. Like this, I want you all to just, familiarize yourself with these. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Okay. And this table will keep coming again and again. So we will keep the form of this table in our minds. That whenever we are saying na ke huwa huma hum, so that will be in our mind. That first word what I'm saying is singular always. It will be always like that. Because inshallah when we will study verbs, so we will use this table only. Okay. So this is first, whatever I'm saying first will be singular, and then it will be dual, and then it will be plural. It should fix in my mind because this is the pattern only. So if I'm saying huwa, huma, hum, because I'll not repeat again and again singular, plural, dual, singular, dual, plural. Okay, it should be automatically in my mind. That first one is for singular, second is for dual, and third is for plural. Okay.
Okay.
And same way, this also should be in my mind that whatever I'll say in the beginning, that will be for male gender, and the second line which I'll say, that will be for the female gender. Okay.
Okay.
If I say huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, automatically it should be understood that the second line I said is for all female pronouns.
Female. Yeah.
Okay. So is that clear?
Yes, miss.
Alhamdulillah. Yes, Vinita, you want to say something?
Miss, I just wanted to ask that, wow noon, I just want to reconfirm, wow noon is only the characteristic of sound plural, right?
Yes. Sound plurals only.
And you said that
majority,
plural has no... Yeah.
Majority of them will be adjectives kind of like Muslimun, Muslimuna, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if there is no wow noon, that means it's a broken plural, because you had said that there is no set rule. Can we memorize it that way?
Yeah, that would be random. There is no fixed rule to make broken plurals. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So that we study this table for third person pronouns, right? Let's move next and see now second person pronouns. Second person, now the table will be same. What was the table? I told you first 3 words which we will study will be for the male gender.
Male.
And the next 3 will be for the female gender, number 1. And secondly, the first column will be for the singular, second column will be for the plural, dual, and third column will be for the plurals. Okay. Now second person, and we know what the second person mean, who is in front of me, the second person. In English, second person pronoun is you, right? You. If the second person pronoun is you. And we say if I want to talk to you, one boy or one girl, it will be you. 2 girls, you. 3 plus girls, you. Hai na? Only one you is there for all 6. But alhamdulillah, we will have all different words in Arabic. If I'm talking to you and you are a boy, okay, and you are a singular, one boy, I will say anta. Okay, anta means you one, yeah. Anta, you one male. Antuma, okay, now antuma, you two. Antuma, you two. And antum, you all. Antum, you all, right? So
you all boys students.
Male, you all males. It would be any male, right? Okay. Now for the female, Okay, we are moving to the next row. It is anti. If I want to say you, Aisha, and you are a female, I will say anti. Okay,
Okay.
this kasra is
Okay.
not visible due to this being underlined. है ना? There is a
Underline.
kasra. Yeah, there is a kasra under ta. But due to
Okay.
this being underlined, the kasra is not visible. So just if you are making your notes, just note it down that it will be anti with kasra.
Anti. Okay.
Acha, now as for third person pronoun, dual were same, right?
Yeah.
Here also
Antuma.
duals are same. Alhamdulillah. Antuma, antuma for both. Antuma, dual is same. If I'm saying you two boys, I will say antuma. If I'm saying you two girls, that also will be antuma.
Antuma.
Not short sound, Aisha. Antuma.
Antuma.
Because it is
Okay.
alif. Yeah. Not antuma. No. Antuma.
Antuma.
With alif and fatha, we just prolong it.
Okay.
Mhm. And for the plural, it is antunna.
Antunna.
Now, can you see a pattern? It was hunna,
Yeah.
right?
Hunna. Yeah.
And it is antunna.
Yeah.
Kind of same pattern.
The second one also. Huma.
Huma and
Antuma.
antuma, right?
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
will help us to, make a difference that, okay, Uma is this as dual one, and hunna, tunna, and antunna. Like in Urdu, alhamdulillah, we say tum. You, it is
Okay.
tum. So it is very easy for us to remember. Antum, tum. Tum is Urdu word also. It's very easy for
Okay.
us to remember. Antum means tum, means you. Okay.
Okay.
So right now we studied total three first, three, third person, three for male, third person, three for female. And then
Yeah.
three words for second person and three for
Second person, 3, 4.
second person male and then
Second person,
second person
female.
female. Total 6 and 6, 12.
12.
6 above and 6 this. So third person, second person. Now is first person. What is first person? I, me. Like the one who is talking is first person. The one who is being
Okay.
talked is second person. And the one who is not with us, it is third person, right?
Third person, yeah.
So first person, matlab, the one who is talking, it could be male or female, but it will be same for, now that's why you can't see that there are two columns now, right? For male and female. Before we had
Yeah,
two
okay.
columns. Before we had two columns.
Okay.
Third person, two column. Second person, two column. Rows. Two rows. Showing for
Okay.
male and female different. But if it comes on first person,
Okay.
if it is
That is same.
same for male and female, masculine and feminine, it is same. Okay, because I
Okay.
is I, है ना? If it is a girl, I
Huh.
will say she, or if it is a boy, I will say he. I will use different
He.
pronouns. But if a boy is
Okay.
saying for himself, he will say I. And if it is a girl who is saying for herself, what she will say? I.
I.
So
Okay.
that a first person pronoun is same for male and
Okay.
female. And what is
Female.
that? In English, it is I. But in Arabic, it is ana.
Ana.
Okay. Ana means I. So ana talibun, I am a student.
Okay.
Hmm.
I am a male student.
Oh, female also. Female also, Aisha. Even if you are saying, because
Talibun.
Acha.
Talibun.
I didn't say talibun. I just said ana. Ana talibun, I am a male student. Ana talibatun, I am a female student.
Female student.
Yeah. If you want to say, you will say ana talibatun.
Okay.
Because you are female, right?
Female.
And now the next is, even if we are two, we will use nahnu. Even if we are all, we will use nahnu. So this is same. For dual and plural, this is same. Actually, they should have not drawn this line. Because this line doesn't make any sense. For dual and plural, this is same. Nahnu.
Same.
We.
Okay. Like English.
Like
We.
English, we. Even if we are male or female or mixed, even then it will be we.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's all. Anyone who didn't understand anything from this table, please do let me know. If you all are clear, then we will move next. Sumira Parveen, am I pronouncing correct? Who is this? Can you please come on mic? Sumira Parveen. Okay, maybe there is a background noise or something else. Okay. So I think there is no doubt so far. Okay. Okay. We will, now I'll go back with the label. It was saying detached pronouns. Now we saw that there was one, there was one pronoun and there was one noun also, है ना? Talibun is a noun. Talibun is a noun. So we are using these pronouns with a noun, but are separate. Like huwa is written separately, talibun is written separately.
Separately.
And we are using these pronouns with some nouns. With some nouns. So these are called detached because they are not attached with other. Now we'll go to the next table and we'll see how the attached ones are also there. Okay, we'll move to the next. And that these are the table 2 are the detached. You can see. I'm sorry, attached. I'm so sorry. Attached pronouns. Okay, pronouns attached to a noun with idafa, possessive relation. That I'll tell you little later. Possession. You understand now? What does possession mean? Yes, Nashmi. Yes, Nashmi. You can unmute yourself if you want to ask something.
Hello, Ms. Rifat.
Yes.
Yes, Ms. Rifat, as we are using is and are, right? The verbs over here, helpful verbs.
Yeah.
So is there a letter that shows or directly the word?
No. Because this is the, in English, if we want, I don't know what do you call this sentence? I am a student. Grammatically, what type of sentence is this?
It's a simple sentence. It's a
simple sentence.
Yes.
Okay. No, there is a word for this, a specific word. I'm not. Yani, if I tell you, Nashmi, if I tell you in Arabic, there are two types of sentences. Right? Okay. One type of sentence will be in where some action is being taken place, right? For example, yes. I am teaching, I am eating, I was going, okay, I slept, right? So there is some action being taken place. I slept, even if it past tense or present or future, I will go there tomorrow. So now then some action is being, yes.
Yeah, a sentence with the action words, right?
And if I say that this is my house, did any action take place there?
Yes.
No, this is my house. Which action?
No, this is a plain, yeah.
It's a plain
no
simple
action.
sentence.
Yeah, like I painted my house, so there's an action of painting.
Exactly. But if say this is my house, this is my house, there is no action taking place. Okay. So these two type of
with the help of the words like Talib and Taliban. So
yes, Talib is a noun. Okay, so simply this is an information that ana talibun, I am a student. So there is no word for am, and this is understood because in Arabic if they say ana talibun, it's understood. Okay. As we are translating it into English, then I have to use am. I am a student.
Yeah,
otherwise,
when we're using nahnu, so we. So of course it goes with our.
Yeah. Okay, we are. It is understood that we are.
It's understood. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, Jazakallah.
Jazakillah. Jazakillah for the female, right? Okay. So I was talking about
Jazakillah, Ms. Rifat.
Jazakillah means may Allah reward you, and wa iyyaki means and may Allah reward you too. Okay, wa iyyaki, you also, may Allah reward you also. It means, right? It's a good dua. Wa iyyaki and may Allah reward you too. Okay. So attached pronouns. Beta baki absent hai sare. Look at the strength of the class, mashallah. Okay. So now attached pronoun either will be attached with a noun or will be attached with a verb. There are 3 tables total. Okay. So see what is written here? Pronouns attached to a
Attached
verb.
to him.
To a verb. Now they are attaching. Either they will attach with some noun or they will attach with some verb.
Verb.
Okay. Verb. Okay. So now first we will discuss when they are attaching to a noun.
Noun.
Okay. Now let's see. What was the, Aisha, do you remember what was the very first detached pronoun for third person male?
Sorry, miss. I did not get.
I said what was the first pronoun we studied? This one. It was hua.
Hua, hua.
है ना? It was hua. Now if you
Yeah.
just cut this vowel, what will remain?
Who?
Who? Yeah. Your daughter is also learning?
Yeah, she's here.
MashaAllah. Okay. Okay. So this who is the attached pronoun. Okay, Aisha?
Okay.
If it
Okay.
is detached, this is complete hua. But if
Okay.
we need to attach it, we make it small. That simple, easily we can attach it, right? So this
Okay.
who, only it remains
Who?
who. Now how we are attaching it, see? How we are, kitab is a, what does kitab means?
Book, book.
Book. Is it a noun? Book. Yes. Book. Is it a noun, Aisha?
Book.
Is it a noun, I'm
Kitab.
saying?
Yes, yes.
So I see it's written there, kitabuhu. This is connected here. This is attached now. है ना? This small ha is attached with kitab. It is attached in
Okay.
this way. Okay. They have given
Okay.
here the separate form, but here they
Okay.
have given the example of attaching it as well.
Okay. So
Okay.
just kitabuhu, it's enough for.
This is just written, this separately is written for our recognition. Otherwise, it
Okay.
won't be written. Okay, they just
Okay.
for us to recognize that this was actually attached pronoun and it is attached in this way. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Attached one separately will not come. Definitely will not come. It is just written here for our recognition.
Okay.
So that we can recognize it. Okay. Now,
Okay.
kitabuhu. So now it's written, it becomes possessive relation. What does possession mean? That I possess it. Kitabuhu means his book. Now, what is the translation? This who means his.
His.
His
Okay.
book. Kitab, because we said that this first is the third person, third person, third person male. So if we want to say that boy, this book is for that boy. This is possession pronoun now. Okay. These pronouns are possessive pronouns, which shows some possession. So we are concluding whenever a pronoun is attached with a noun, it will create a possession relation. Always, just remember it. Whenever a noun will be attached with a noun, it will always create a possessive relation.
Possessive relation.
Okay, so for example, kitabuhu, this who is a singular, third person and male pronoun, है ना? So it will be his book.
Okay.
Kitab, now who, and it will, in dual, it will become huma.
Huma.
They both. Okay, so kitabuhuma, their book. Like I'm talking about two boys, and I'm saying this is their book. The possession is their book. And kitabuhum is...
In the detached also, this is the same. Huma.
Exactly. No? Yes, very right. So both this plural and dual, both are same for detached and for attached. So whom can be attached also and detached also, but definitely meanings are different, Aisha. If it is detached, okay, it will be separate, like they. Now, as I said, hum labun, they are students. Meaning will be they. But if it is attached, the meaning will be there, because we are showing possession.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this is the difference.
Okay.
Okay, same way if we go for third person female, right? So
Yeah.
for the
There it is here.
here, now it is ha. Now it is ha. Okay,
Okay.
remember this
Okay.
ha. And when it is joined, it becomes kitabuha, her book.
Okay.
Because it's a female,
Okay.
so we will say her book. And again, like with detached pronouns, huma is the same for male, female.
Yes.
Both it is same, huma. It's easy, alhamdulillah, now to remember. Kitabuhuma, their book. If I'm talking about two girls, then also I will say huma, kitabuhuma, their book. And kitabuhunna, this is also same as we studied in detached pronouns. Yeah, kitabuhunna, but when it is attached, it will be their book. When it was detached, it was they all girls, they all female, they.